Welcome to Wolfe GMC Buick. Today we're going to be taking a look at a new 2024 GMC Terrain SLE. Summit white paint with a jet black interior. Under the hood you have a 1.5-liter turbo paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission. Some features you can expect to find includes having heated seats, forward collision alert, lane keep assist, lane departure warning, and so much more. Let's go take a look. First, we'll go ahead and take a look at the interior. You have that jet black finish on the door panel as well as along the dash at the front of the vehicle, the center console, and the seats. Storage along the bottom and center of the door panel next to your power liftgate controls, power windows, mirrors, and locks. On the panel next to the steering wheel, you have some interior and exterior lighting control with your electronic parking brake. Black cloth seating with white stitching throughout, power controls located on the side. Inside the vehicle, on the left-hand side of the steering wheel, you have your cruise control settings and forward collision alert, while the right has voice recognition and directional controls for the screen in front of you, which has plenty of information and vehicle maintenance screens that you can scroll through. The entertainment display has your audio. This will be your AM, FM, Sirius XM radio. You have your phone settings if you want to connect your phone via Bluetooth, as well as Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. A few radio controls below the screen, and your dual zone automatic climate control, which has the temperature gauge, fan speed, air conditioning controls for the driver and the passenger. Just below that, you'll find the transmission drive mode selector here, the shifter, the push to start next to the steering column to the left. Storage compartment at the front with a few outlets for you to use, dual cup holder in front of your drive mode selector with your heated seats for the driver and the passenger. A storage compartment just in front of the center console, which you can open up for more storage space on the inside. Up top you have the rear view mirror, of course, some interior lighting controls located above you. In front of the passenger you have a small storage compartment as well as the glove box, so there's a bit of storage space in the front if you need it. Moving on, we'll go ahead and take a look at the exterior. You have that Summit white paint, the red GMC emblem on the black grille, black accents along the bottom of the front bumper, LED headlamps, black aluminum wheels with GMC center caps, black mirror caps, paint matched door handles with keyless entry, black SLE badge at the back near the corner next to the liftgate. On the liftgate itself you have the red GMC emblem in the center, black Terrain badge on the left, and all-wheel drive nameplate on the right. We'll open up the liftgate here. You have plenty of storage space in the back with tethering locations on the backs of the seats, smaller compartments on either side for extra space if you need it. Floor panel will lift up, giving you more storage space underneath. And when you're all done, you can use the button on the bottom of the liftgate, the controls on the key, or the controls on the driver door panel to close the liftgate. Finally, we'll go ahead and take a look at the interior in the rear. You've got the same jet black finish that you had in the front, magazine holder on the back of the passenger seat, the black cloth seating with white stitching as well. The center folds down for cup holders for the rear passengers. You have the shoulder handle here to easily pull the seat forward, giving you way more storage space in the back. And on the back of the center console, you have a couple of outlets as well as a couple air vents for the rear passengers. Thanks so much for joining me as we took a look at a new 2024 GMC Terrain SLE. If you like the video, make sure you leave a like, subscribe to the channel so you can get more video reviews just like this one, and we hope to see you in the near future.